Hi and welcome to another art journaling video. Today I'm playing in one of my handmade envelope journals. I have a video of how to make these linked up in the top right corner info box. My page today is very much inspired by a class I watched on Skillshare from Toni Burt. She is an amazing artist and I really love her style. And I also love her videos because she is very inspiring, and when I watch her videos I just want to start right away playing in my art journal. I have a free 2-month trial for you for Skillshare. It's linked in the description box. And you don't have to pay anything. You can just try out the 2-month, then cancel before the 2 months are over, and you have a lot of time to watch their classes. I have started the page by stamping some background images. I've used the grungy butterfly from Rubber Dance and also the music sheet. And I just add this, that I have something on the page to start with, because for me it's easier when there's already something on the page in comparison to start with a blank page. I'm stamping with archival ink because it's waterproof, and I will go on top with other mediums. I will cover up a lot of this page because I will prime the pages with gesso first. An alternative would be to start with some collaging, what I also did, and there is also a video linked up in that info box on the top right corner. And this is just to make it a little bit faster, because when you add some collaging you have to wait for it to dry, and when you just do some stamping it goes much faster. I'm applying the gesso with a palette knife. I prefer this because I don't have a dirty brush afterwards, and it's also a different texture in comparison to a brush, and I really like that texture. I've dried the gesso with my heat tool, and now I go in and sketch a girly face with a water-soluble graphite pencil. I am really a fan of these cute girly faces, and I did a lot of them recently, especially with watercolors in my watercolor journal. But this is a really interesting technique and way, and that was very inspiring watching Toni Burt creating her page. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell, and I am always happy about reading your comments. I now go in with a wet brush and blend in that graphite pencil. I dried the first layer and add another one to define more details and add even more shadows. I'm adding color with gouache paints. These are the ones from ARTEZA. I really love them, but I can't tell you if those are the best because I don't have any other gouache paint. I think for art journaling they are perfect. They are not very expensive and come in a big variety of colors. When I'm done with the gouache paint and when everything is dry, again I'm going in with that graphite pencil again and add the details. I wanted to add some embellishing to this page and I decided to use my brand new flower stamps. They will be hopefully released next week and I am already waiting for the engravings to arrive so that I can press on the other set of the January release. They are stamped to Bristol paper and I've colored them very quickly with watercolors. I really love that look you get when you use Bristol paper with watercolors. It looks completely different to normal watercolor paper. That's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope we see us next time. Bye!